How to refund Holafly. To refund Holafly, follow these steps. First, go to holafly.com. Then to start a conversation, tap on the icon of support. Then tap on I already have an eSIM. Then click on Need help. Then click on Another issue. Then select Invoice Refund option. Then click on Refund Request. There you'll see a list of options for why you're requesting a refund. Then select an option. Then once you've selected the reason for your refund, click on Refund option. A form will appear where you have to fill out the ticket information. Then add your email address. Then enter the title. Then select a language. Then enter the order number. Then enter the number of eSIMs you would like to cancel. Finally, tap on Create a ticket. Then your ticket will be created, and after some days you will get your refund. Thanks for watching.